Let's see if I can get some of this lightning on the horizon. It's really dramatic. There you go. There's some. Oh, there was a lightning strike. Yeah. Oh, the waves are crashing up. I had a really good massage here. An hour-long massage with hot rocks and everything, and Reiki, and oh, there's some lightning. Let's see if we can get another bolt. Yeah, there's some over here. I have a 5 o'clock wake-up call. There we go. There's some. Yeah, there's some over there. Yeah, that was a good one. That lit up the whole sky for a second. Yeah, there we go. There's some. There's a little bit more. Yeah, there's some more. I can hear the thunder besides the crashing surf. I'm watching the Tonight Show with Jay Leno with Turkish subtitles. I know it seems kind of lame, but I don't have a TV at home, and I always enjoy looking at TV in other countries. Turkish is a very pretty language. Everybody sounds like they're kind of sad when they speak it, though. Maybe they are. Yeah, there's a little bit more. Ooh, that was a nice big one. Alright, that's it.